Okay, welcome back to Farming on 40 Meters Squared. My name's Keith. Today we're going to have a look at my turmeric bed that you see here behind me. Looking very nice, looking very fruitful this year. We're going to take a look from October last year. I've got a few of the old videos that I'm going to show and go through the timeline with you. So let's have a look. So at the end of September, I planted all the turmeric that I had left from 2 seasons ago. And by October, I was getting nice little sprouts like this. And then that's October. So by the end of October, I'm already getting nice, beautiful leaves coming out. The black you see there is all charcoal. There's a lot more charcoal and manure that's already mixed in there. Plus I use the fertilizer that you can see on the channel here. Okay, so that was end of October. And then coming into November and December. I think this was end of November, early December. We've got them really growing nice and beautiful now. Okay, now I come to January 28th. Got nice big broad leaves. This height should be the height till May, maybe a little bit higher. And we'll use all this stock when we harvest it. We'll replant it and we'll let it grow for another season. And we'll put all of that hopefully into these two beds that are waiting. Okay, so that's pretty much that for this video. It just goes to show that even on a small ground of, 6 meters squared, that you can actually grow quite a reasonable amount of turmeric for yourself. You don't have to use lots of chemical fertilizers. You can just follow the instructions of on my other videos. And thank you for watching. If you've reached this end, if you wouldn't mind giving me a like, maybe a share, I'd really appreciate that. And if you want to help me, you can check the description below. Thank you.